Equus Products Incorporated has been making high-quality gauges for the automotive industry for over 39 years, and they have tachometers and gauges for virtually any vehicle. Equus prides itself on using superior components and is leading the industry on innovation and product development. The Equus 8000 series features backlit illumination, elegant white dials with black artwork, and a red needle finish by a brushed aluminum bezel. This is the most extensive series Equus has to offer, with a line consisting of triple panel mounted gauges, in-dash gauges in multiple sizes, pedestal and in-dash mounted tachometers, hour meter, speedometer, as well as a complete gauge kit. The 8000 series is lightweight and durable. It also features 1.5 inch, 2 inch, and 2 to 5/8 of an inch gauges and matching tachometers and speedometers, all with aluminum bezels and the popular white dial face. The series' increased performance and accuracy is achieved by its original equipment type electric air core meter movement or the solid brass mechanical burden tube meter movement. This entire line features a backlit illumination with a choice of 4 popular colors included in every package. From sport compacts and muscle cars to heavy-duty SUVs and trucks, Equus has tachometers and gauges for virtually any application on today's vehicles. Each gauge is designed and tested by skilled technicians to ensure superior accuracy and performance on your vehicle. If you are interested in purchasing any of the Equus series products or having them installed, check out their website at www.iequus.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.